CAD Maker Bro. We'll be 3D printing a screw so that we can attach this camera case to the camera. The screw has been lost for about 3 years now, so it'll be interesting to see if we can 3D print a screw instead of buying one. Let's get into it. I hope you enjoyed that little montage. To wrap things up, let's talk about whether or not it was worth it for me to 3D print the screw, or if I should have just went out and bought one. So from a aesthetic standpoint, I was really impressed with how the 3D printer managed to print out such detailed threads. And this screw, I don't even need the screwdriver to screw it in. I can just screw it in by hand. The threads are so nice. It's a good looking screw. We have to talk about the cost to make it now. So I went on Amazon, and the average price is $2.89 to purchase one camera screw. Now, to make each of the screws that I had to print out 6 of them. Drum roll, please. It cost me 35 cents to finally get to the point where I thought I had a good screw. And if you do the math, $2.89 minus the 35 cents, you get $2.54 is what I saved. Overall, a great project. Thanks for watching. And if you guys want, you can comment below with how long you think it took to print one screw out. Again, I'll see you soon.